Hi, my name is Fraser and welcome to my channel GPU Solutions. Over the past 6 years, I've specialized in repairing graphics cards from Nvidia and AMD. What started as a need to build my own gaming computer when GPU prices were sky high has grown into something much bigger. With a background in electronics repair spanning over 20 years, I've decided to buy broken GPUs and try fixing them. I started with two faulty GPUs, fixed both, kept one for myself, and sold the other at a nice profit. That success led me to continue repairing GPUs for another year, eventually leading to the creation of my business, originally known as Graphics Card Repairs, which was recently rebranded to GPU Solutions. About a year ago, one of my customer Farhan suggested why not start a YouTube channel to showcase your work. So I created a YouTube channel, and since then I've uploaded many videos that demonstrate my repair techniques and offer tips and tricks for anyone interested in fixing their own graphics card. And it does not matter if you are a beginner or a seasoned repair technician. I'm constantly adding new content to keep you informed and engaged. In addition to repairs, I'm diving into exciting projects like memory upgrades on various graphics cards. One of my latest experiments was upgrading an Asus Strix RTX 2080 Ti from 11 GB to 22 GB. Check it out on my channel. While I may not be able to upload daily, you may expect 3 to 4 detailed repair videos each month, giving you an in-depth repair insights. If you enjoy the content that I create and find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Bye for now. Cheers.